Making a volcano. Question A. What do I want to find out? What will happen if we put vinegar, food coloring, dishwashing soap, and baking soda in the clay volcano? Hypothesis. What I think will happen. I think we put the baking soda into the clay volcano and it will explode. Equipment. What I need. A quarter cup of vinegar, food coloring, liquid dishwashing, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, modeling clay plastic, newspaper. Clear our work surface and cover it up with newspaper. Model a volcano with modeling clay. You can use some red clay. You can put some red clay around the volcano to make it like red hot lava. Make a hole on the top of the volcano. Boom. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the volcano. Add a few drops of food coloring into the volcano. Add a few drops of dishwashing soap. Step 7. Pour a quarter cup of vinegar into the volcano. Step 7. Pour a quarter cup of vinegar into the volcano. Step 6. Add 1/4 cup of vinegar into the volcano. Observation. What happened? What I saw. I saw some bubbles and red food coloring going over the side of the clay volcano. Conclusion. Why it happened? The baking soda and vinegar mixed together to make a gas. The gas molecules move around faster, taking up more space, spilling out of the volcano.